Hey, Patrick Gross here from the RG Group. Got something cool to show you today. Come with me. You're looking at 4 mobile industrial robots. We've been working on these for a little over a month now. Really cool project. It's actually for one of our larger customers. They're an optical and imaging manufacturer based here in the Northeast. Basically, they're having some trouble hiring people to move material around their facility. We looked at a couple different options for them and landed on this solution. With these 4, they'll be up to a total of 8 robots in their manufacturing environment. This helps them to operate more cost effectively, safely, and just in general makes them more competitive in the manufacturing space. If we zoom in on these a little bit, I want to highlight just a few things that are a little more than meet the eye. You've got powered rollers on top of these robots, so basically as they approach their drop-off location, it's a touchless delivery. There's no human interaction needed either on the pickup or the drop-off of goods. Dual e-stops here. You can see one on the front left and one on the back right. You've also got an iPad mount on each one of these, so the operator basically can interact with the robot just on a simple dashboard user interface. Around the back here, you've got just an external PLC box. We're using a click PLC and a few other things to communicate with the robot. There's also a PLC inside of the robot and sound so that the employees in their manufacturing facility can hear them coming. Again, really exciting project, quick turnaround, payback, and absolutely reach out to us if you have any questions about how we're doing this. We're an ISO certified facility, ITAR registered, and I've been building systems like this for a little over 20 years.